Welcome to the Data Entry Operations lesson on formatting worksheets. In this lesson, you will learn about using formatting toolbar, formatting cells using dialog box, formatting columns and rows, formatting worksheets using cell styles and applying styles, format painter. So, what's formatting? Think of it as giving your plain old worksheet a makeover, adding colors, fonts, and styles to make it stand out and shine. Just like when you dress up for a special occasion. Now, let's get started by exploring the magical world of Excel formatting tools. Imagine you're in front of your computer, opening Excel. Click on the Home tab. You've just unlocked a treasure chest of formatting options. Here's the fun part, you can make your text big or small, change its color, and even give it a fancy angle. Remember, it's all about expressing yourself, just like picking out the coolest outfit to wear. Ever heard of the Format Painter? It's like a paintbrush that lets you copy formatting from one place to another. Just select the beautifully formatted cell, click the Format Painter, and apply it wherever you want. And now, formulas and functions. They're like the secret recipes of Excel. Think of formulas as the ingredients and functions as the chefs. You tell them what to do, and they create the magic. For example, you can use a function to calculate the sum of numbers faster than you can say awesome. Now, let's talk about the Format Cells dialog box. Think of it as your customization center. You can access it by pressing Ctrl+1 or right-clicking a cell and selecting Format Cells. It's like having your own workshop for creating styles. Inside this workshop, you've got tabs for numbers, alignment, font, borders, patterns, and protection. Each tab is a superpower you can use to make your spreadsheet look exactly how you want. Okay, let's unlock the number tab. Just pick a category, and it helps the numbers look like fancy decimals or whole numbers. Now, the alignment tab, it's your ticket to changing the way text sits in its cell. Fonts are like the clothes your text wears. Head to the font tab and dress up your words with different styles, sizes, and colors. Your text will thank you for the makeover. Now, let's add some excitement to your plain old cells with the border and pattern tabs. Imagine them as the painters and decorators of your spreadsheet world. Draw borders, add colors, and make your worksheet pop. Next, we have dates and times, the time travelers of Excel. With just a few clicks, you can transform 1st January 2001 into the sleek 1st January 2001. It's like giving your dates a cool time machine ride. Now, imagine this, your columns are like skyscrapers, and sometimes, they get a bit crowded. That's where the Autofit spell comes in. With a wave of your mouse, you can make those columns adjust their width. Say goodbye to squished text. Here's how you do it. Click on a column header, head over to the Home tab, and click on Format in the Cells group. Then, hit the Autofit column width and watch as your column reveals all its hidden secrets. Now, the rows want to join in too. Just like columns, you can use the Autofit row height spell to make your rows taller or shorter, so all your text can shine bright. Now, imagine you're a magician with a double-headed arrow. Hover it over a column's edge, give it a double click, and watch as the neighboring column adjusts itself to fit its contents perfectly. You can hide columns and rows too, making the elements disappear. Right-click on a column or row header, choose Hide, and watch them vanish. The data stays safe, just hidden. Also, if you want them back, it's as easy as waving your wand. Just right-click on visible columns or rows, select Unhide, and your hidden elements reappear. Now, let's talk about the cell styles. Imagine you have a wardrobe of styles for your cells. Click on the Home tab, go to the Cell Styles section, and pick your favorite outfit for your cells. From casual comma to elegant currency, your cells will be dressed to impress. But wait, you can even customize these styles to match your unique taste. Just imagine each cell is like a canvas waiting for your creative touch. Make them stand out and shine brighter than a shooting star. Next, we also have the Format Painter. It's like a magical paintbrush that lets you copy formatting and spread it like fairy dust. Click the brush, apply it to another cell, and your magic style spreads. Finally, there is Autoformat. It's like having a wardrobe of pre-designed styles for your entire worksheet. Just select the range, click Format as Table, and watch your data transform with stunning patterns, colors, and fonts. It's like giving your worksheet a complete makeover. That brings this lesson to an end. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook via publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.